Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. Today we're going to learn how to make stickers with the Print Then Cut feature in Design Space. This beginner level video uses artwork in Design Space that is already perfect for stickers. You'll need a desktop or a laptop computer and a connected inkjet printer. You'll also want Cricut printable vinyl, Cricut premium permanent transparent vinyl to make your project water resistant, a green standard grip mat, trimmer, and a scraper. We'll begin in Design Space. Before you do your first Print Then Cut, make sure to calibrate your Cricut Maker or Explorer. Let's start on a new canvas. Click on Images and type in your search term. I'm going to do a whole sheet of stickers for my teenage daughter. Let's filter by Print Then Cut. I like this image here. Click on the ellipses and view image sets for related images with the same retro style. I'll select all of the images that I think my daughter will like. She can use them to decorate her locker and her notebooks. You can see these are perfect for your first time printing stickers because they already have a white border. That means fine details will cut out well and the sticker will come out in one piece. We have several stickers selected. Let's add them to the canvas. It may take a minute if you've added as many as I have. They'll all come in clumped together, but don't worry. Click outside of the bounding box, then you can click each one individually to resize and rotate. Let's go through and resize so we can see each of our images on the canvas. Our maximum printable area for Print Then Cut is 6.75 inches by 9.25 inches. Let's create a template and get the most out of our material by arranging our stickers within that area. I'm going to insert a square from the Shapes panel. I'll resize it to the maximum printable area and change it to a light gray color. Then right-click, Send to Back. This allows us to see the white border of the stickers for arranging. Now I can arrange all of my sticker images on the sheet. Remember, the goal is to get the most stickers out of my sheet. As you can see, I've got a little more space. Now I can add more images from the image library or simply duplicate or resize some of my favorites. Once your page is full, go to your gray rectangle template and hide or delete the template using the Layers panel. I usually just hide it in case I want to bring it back. Now select all and click Attach. This will preserve the placement of the images on the printed page. Next, save your project. Then click Make It. On the Prepare screen, we'll see how your stickers will print out. Note the orientation. We're going to place our paper up in the top left-hand corner of the mat. Click Continue and then Send to Printer. I like using this system dialog box because it improves the print quality and gives me a chance to make sure I have my printable vinyl loaded correctly in the printer. Now click Print. The system dialog may be behind the Design Space window, so you might need to check behind it. Here I'm going to increase my print quality to best because I want really vibrant stickers. Load your Cricut printable vinyl into the printer and then click Print. It may take a while to print, especially at best quality, so this is a good time to go get a beverage or put the dog out. Once our sheet is printed, let's set it aside to dry to avoid smudges. It usually takes just a couple of minutes. To make your stickers water resistant, cover them before you cut them out with transparent permanent vinyl. To do that, we're going to measure and cut a piece to fit inside of the black outlined box. We want to make sure we don't cover or smudge ink on that box because that's what the Cricut uses to orient itself for the cut. We use a paper trimmer to get nice straight lines. Make sure that your transparent vinyl fits within the black rectangle without touching. Peel the top inch of the transparent vinyl backer away and crease it down like this. Now place the exposed transparent vinyl flat onto your sticker paper, making sure not to cover the rectangle. Now use your scraper or your hand to roll the backer away while sticking the vinyl down. I'm taking care to avoid air bubbles as I go. Make sure you don't shift the transparent vinyl onto your black rectangle. Once that's ready, we're going to load our mat. I'll place the printed page in the top left-hand corner of the mat. Smooth it with your hand or a brayer to make sure it's solidly placed. Now let's go back to Design Space and select our material. Because we put the transparent vinyl over our printable vinyl, we need a deeper cut setting. Click Browse All Materials. We're going to use cardstock because we know that it will cut through the printable vinyl as well as the transparent vinyl. Now I'm going to load our mat and press Go. Watch as the machine scans the black line to give you the most accurate cut for your stickers. It's done scanning, now it's cutting out the stickers. Before unloading your mat, check if it cut as desired. If necessary, press the Go button for another pass. Once it's done, unload your mat and remove the sheet or individual stickers by flipping over the mat and peeling the mat away from your work. Check it out! We made stickers!